everyone, whoever have joined this session today. Good day to all of you. I don't know what time of the day you're watching this video at. So I don't know, maybe it's good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time of the day you're watching this. I am very happy to connect with you, though virtually, and I may not be seeing you live. I will definitely try to build a connect so that you feel personally connected. So wonderful having you here as my audience to listen in to this concept called design thinking. Which field are you from? Are you an architect? Are you a designer? Only then you qualify for training. I'm joking. No, all of us can do training. I'm just an MA economics, very bad at all designs. I can never draw, very bad. I'm no MF Hussain. I'm sure many of you are also wondering, what design thinking? How will I do it? I have been asked to learn this because it's the new concept which all organizations are running after and trying to learn it. Will I be able to do it? Don't worry, you will be. You just need to have some empathy in your mind or heart and be able to connect with the customer, understand their problem, understand their pain point, and think from their point of view. The rest will just be a cakewalk. I'll make sure that you understand the concepts thoroughly so that you can apply design thinking to any stream where you're working. Whatever be the area, HR, finance, admin, facility management, operational flow, wherever you are, making a product, driving a service, whatever, design it to perfection. Design it so that your customers fall in love with you.